Unlike honeybees, bumblebee colonies do not survive the winter. In autumn, the workers and old queen die off, and only newly mated queens remain alive. Those queens spend the winter hidden underground, beneath leaf litter, or tucked into protected spaces where they enter a dormant state until spring returns. When the weather warms, the queens emerge alone. For a brief period in early spring, they can often be found resting on branches, beneath decks, near homes, or slowly exploring the landscape. They feed heavily after winter starvation, warm themselves in the morning sun, and search for suitable nesting sites where they may raise an entirely new colony. Bumblebees are among the most important native pollinators in prairie ecosystems. Their dense fur helps collect pollen, and they are capable of buzz pollination, vibrating flowers in a way that releases pollen many other insects cannot access. A yard filled with native flowers and undisturbed pesticide-free ground becomes more than landscaping. It becomes refuge, and in a world full of dangerous chemicals, to bees, it means survival.